Unisilver Native Carve Collection. It features gorgeous native carved details and finest sterling silver.
Hi guys, so ngayon gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo ang mga cross collections. Itong cross collections ay handcrafted with the finest stones and precious metals from a lifetime of value. Madami siyang design. Merong plain cross, cross with enamel paint, and this one is called cross pendant with CZ stone. So kung religious ka at gusto mo express ang faith mo, I think itong cross collection ang para sa'yo.
Lahat ay meron dito, bracelet, ikaw at singsing. Necklace, pendant, silver, 92.5 sterling. Unique silver, mahusay, lagong talaga. Unique silver, mahusay, ang paborito kong silver jewelry.
Hello guys, I would like to introduce the latest heart collection of Unisilver. This one is called the Filigree Heart Design Bangle. Meron siyang ornamental work of fine wire formed sa loob ng heart. Ito naman ang Tiffany bracelet with puffed heart charm. Ayan o, super cute, diba? Chubby heart. Ito namang necklace, meron siyang open heart pendant na may cubic zirconia stones design sa loob. Tingnan nyo, ayan. It's very nice and elegant. You can partner your dress with this little symbol with a big meaning. Kaya guys, pusuan nyo na!
Hi guys! Papakita ko naman sa inyo ang Dog Tag Collections. These designs are classic and iconic piece of men's jewelry. Marami siyang designs sa pwede pagpilian. May plain, may embossed hashtag tulad na to. And bold design to Dog Tag with CZ stone.
Sigurado tatangkilikin ng kahit na sino, astigang forma para sa lahat.
Magandang quality, di tulad ng iba, di lang pang mata, kundi pang worldwide pa. Anywhere you go, angat ang iyong